नमस्ते एंड वेलकम टू मिस्ट्री रैप्सोडीज बाय रीमा। आज मैं लेकर आई हूं एक वेब सीरीज रिव्यू, आर्या, द 9-episode crime drama series produced and co-directed by Ram Madhwani, whom we know from the film Neerja, is out on Disney Hotstar. The series is an official remake of a highly acclaimed Dutch series called Penooza. The diva is back, Sushmita Sen, पूरे 10 साल के बाद. She plays the protagonist Arya Sareen. The crime show also marks the comeback of the former actor Chandrachud Singh. He plays Arya's husband, Tej Sareen, who gets involved in the illegal drugs trade, gets shot, and how then Arya's life turns upside down. Literally, क्योंकि उनको आप पहले सीन में ही उल्टा लटकते हुए पाएंगे, doing some fantastic aerial yoga. Later, she teams up with Jawahar, an associate of her husband, played by Namit Das, so that she can protect her family. Okay, अब मेरी ये कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं आप सबको इस कहानी की इसेंस को समझा पाऊं without any spoilers. So here we go. So हमारी सुष्मिता सेन, Arya, belongs to an aristocratic Rajput family in Rajasthan, where her dad Zorawar, played by known actor Jayant Kriplani, has a pharma company of illegal drugs which he has been running over a long time and has handed it over to his son Sangram and son-in-law Tej, matlab Chandrachud Singh. The narrative begins with 4 things. एक तरफ आर्या और तेज का छोटा बेटा जो स्कूल से रस्टिकेट हो जाता है क्योंकि उसके पास से एक गन मिलती है. दूसरी तरफ आर्या's younger sister सौंदर्य is getting married to a musician Firangi boy called Bob. Thirdly, Arya's mother and dad are separated as her dad is currently involved with a much younger woman to their disliking, played by Flora Seni. Lastly, the base of the storyline, a huge stock of heroin worth hundreds of crores looted from a drugs kingpin, Shekhawat, played by actor Manish Chaudhary, becomes the point of heated arguments between Tej, Sangram and Jawahar. क्योंकि तेज नहीं चाहते to get involved where drugs are transported to nearby nations illegally, and how consistently Sangram and Jawahar fail to convince him. Then Sangram का अरेस्ट हो जाना, resultantly Jawahar का तेज पर शक करना पूरे फैमिली को परेशान कर देता है. Same time, Tej indicates to Arya that their life can be in danger, so they should leave everything and settle down outside India. To which she readily agrees, since many years now she has been wanting Tej to leave this business.
तुम मुझ पे भरोसा करती हो कि नहीं आर्या? तुम तैयार हो सब कुछ छोड़ के मेरे साथ जाने के लिए?
Next day, Tej gets shot and dies. She suddenly gets the sole responsibility of bringing up 3 kids and has to also start thinking about the business. ACP Khan, played by Vikas Kumar, is introduced here claiming that Tej had told him about a USB stick which has all the secrets of the illegal part of the business. Further, Sangram जेल में बैठे जवाहर को ब्लेम करता है क्योंकि वो हेरोइन के स्टॉक गुमा चुका है, जिसे अब शेखावत वापस पाना चाहता है. इसीलिए वो अपनी दीदी को बोलता है कि वो अब बिजनेस को संभाले. Now I want to talk about Daulat, played by Sikandar Kher, the bodyguard of Zorawar and Arya. How he secretly likes Arya and helps her relentlessly whenever she seeks out for support. A part where he motivates her to be strong.
शेरनी की तरह ऐसे.
To which Arya replies, मां नहीं होती तो ऐसा ही करती. And then he says, शेरनियां सबसे खतरनाक होती हैं जब वो मां बनती हैं. This is too good. Then the story continues, showing what all Arya has to go through in teaming up with Jawahar and how she has to unwillingly open the transport routes for Shekhawat, during which comes up a mind-blowing deep dialogue between Arya and Jawahar on asking her why she did not run the business before, as she's so good. She replies,
हमारा धंधा मर्द संभालते थे, अब बचे नहीं। आपको पता है आपकी मम्मी डॉन है, डॉन।
Meanwhile, she has her own personal struggles, like her teenage daughter getting attracted to her Firangi Mosa, her younger son getting counseled as he had seen his father being shot in front of his eyes, his elder son getting attracted to a girl who is blackmailed for a certain reason. ACP Khan leaves no stone unturned to confront every character around Arya's life. Shekhawat keeps on heckling her for the lost heroin stock as he is under pressure from the Russians. Arya's younger son is also found to have understood who is his father's killer, but could not get the chance to reveal the same to his mom. Later, Arya finds out the heroin in a place where no one could ever think of. But then Sangram does not want her to give the stock back to Shekhawat and finds his one motive, which gives birth to a beautiful scene between this brother and the sister, reminiscing of their childhood days in the opium farms, where Arya mentions, "Ek taraf afeem, ek taraf gehu," as if growing opium is normal. One more good scene where ACP interrogates Arya about Shekhawat's killing. The way she enunciates the line, "कभी कभी बात सही या गलत की नहीं होती, गलत या कम गलत की होती है." Arya also entrusts her sister and Bob to take care of the kids in case anything happens to her. A great emotional scene which later on leads to a huge risk for her. How the end is beautifully portrayed, with lines like Arya telling her dad, "भरोसा वही तोड़ते हैं जिन पे भरोसा किया जाता है."
भरोसा वही तोड़ते जिन पे भरोसा किया जाता है.
And Arya's daughter singing, "You can't escape from life's struggles." Not to forget the beautiful use of the old Hindi songs in certain situations, like a night when her daughter gets kidnapped while she's walking down a street, where there it goes, "Akele akele kahan ja rahe ho, hame saath le lo jahan ja rahe ho." Or whenever Tej sings, "Bade achhe lagte hain," makes it all even more special. Chandrachud Singh is restricted to just a couple of episodes, but he has put up a great comeback. Namit Das, I would say, वो डूब गया ये इंसान जवाहर के ड्रग एडिक्ट रोल में. He is a confused, scared, a mysterious character on whom no one wants to believe. Be it his wife Maya, or Sangram, or Arya, or ACP, or Shekhawat. ACP Khan, this man really surprised me. He is real to the core. Sikandar Kher, I wish he had more lines to speak, though he was good. The plus points. The unexpected twists in the end of each episode. Great natural performances from each actor. Arya's heavy dialogues. Old songs being used. The background score. And the well-placed adaptation of Bhagavad Gita in the plot. The things that I did not like much. Slow pace of first half of each episode bogs you down because हर एक episode 50 से 55 minutes का है. The prolonged prayer meet scenes, the prolonged argument scenes between the three associates in the very first episode. So these are the things which I did not like much. Arya guzarti hai ek emotional ride se where she sees a lot of secrets getting uncovered and many betrayals. End of every episode pumps you up with edge of seat excitement as the intensity is fueled by several twists and mysteries which will keep the viewers guessing. It is overall engaging and takes it beyond the usual over-the-top crime dramas. Arya represents strength, determination and vulnerability in a world of crime mostly ruled by men. But she will do anything to protect her children. A big shout out to the writers for writing good parts for every actor. Sushmita Sen playing a powerful woman has just nailed it. It's totally Sushmita. She is infectious.
मटकी की मिट्टी से भी पक्के हैं आप आर्या जी।
मैं अपनी फैमिली को बचाने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ।
आपको पता है आपकी मम्मी डॉन है, डॉन।
Barring some of the flaws I mentioned, it's worth binge watching. I would give it a 4 out of 5. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Keep tracking Misty Rhapsodies by Reema for exciting adventures.